Unfortunately, most people think that when we are talking about faith, we are talking about religion, but we are not. My friends, crazy as it may sound and incredible as it may seem, when we are talking about faith, we are not talking about religion. Because the Word of God is the power of God, and the power of God cannot fail. Do you understand? It's because of that it's written in the Bible that in the beginning God created the heaven and the earth, and God said, let there be light, and there was light. I mean, our God used only His word. And the same way, today, nowadays, God can transform everything, but we need to believe in Him in accordance with everything that our God said in His word. Do you understand? Everything God says come to pass because the word of God is the power of God. The word of God cannot fail. But you must believe in God, not in a theoretical way, but in a practical way. And then your life can be transformed. Think about it. May God bless you all. Until next time.